Hello random people watching this video. Today I'm reviewing another Fuggler. I was very excited to get this one. The person at the checkout said that they had 1,000 in and there's only one of these guys. Show you him. It's the black fox, so now I have all of the original golden button ones. Here's the other two. Off the side, and let's open him. Open button. I should leave the thing first. Do not shake contents. The mischievous little creature within may generate excessive excitement with its unpredictable personality. Sleep with your mouth closed and one eye open. Adopt it to your lips. Oh. There she is. Ah. Oh God. This is her, and she is it's a she. I'm planning to introduce her in the first episode of season 2. I filmed a lot of the episodes for season 1 already, so we'll probably get to film the one with her soon. She won't have a big role in it though. It's probably in at the end. And here's our golden button. Now I think I should turn off the lights and close the door to show you, but it might take a while. Just right here. Yeah. Hey, let's turn off the sun. Can you see it? Sort of. Not that well. Turn the light back on. The light's back on, and here she is. Not sure what I'll call her though. So I have a name for him as well. It's gonna be Bruce. And I'll show you the other foxes if I can find them. Is that one? Nope. Where would it be? Annoying. And if I just find one, I'll be okay. Fine. And the other fox is the red one. It's also going to be a girl as well. There he is, and so we'll hold them all up. Here the 3 are, and this one's a girl, and this one's going to be a boy. So I'm not sure what else to do. I think I should tell you the names of the Fugglers actually. So this one's just gonna be Foxy. Just Fox. This one, I don't have a name for him yet, but these two are gonna be friends, so his nickname's gonna be Gappy, and I think that's just I'll just call him that. This one's Meme. Let's see. Officer Bunny, obviously. There's Flip Florp. And this is Crazy Dave. This one's Greg. This one's Roderick or Rowley. This one's also going to be called Greg. This is going to be Sir Buttons. Let's see what else. I have this one I'm just gonna make his name right now Depdorp. This alien, it's not gonna have a normal name. Let's see. Well, not showing the rest of their names. I'm just gonna have a quick, and just come up with an idea. This guy, he's gonna be called Dan the Storytelling Man.